Hello, my name is Tanvir Mahamud. I am studying electrical and electronic engineering at Daffodil International University. And I am very passionate about technology, innovation, and learning new things. I enjoy exploring how machine work, how code control system, and how idea can become real project that help people in daily life. I have learned programming in C, Python, MATLAB, and I also completed a certification in HTML and CSS from FreeCodeCamp Academy. I enjoy working with computers, writing code and solving problems step by step. My technical skills are supported my ability to think clearly and stay patient when facing challenges. Alongside these technical abilities, I also bring strong leadership, teamwork, and communication skills. These qualities grew from my activities role in different student organizations where I worked with diverse team and managed many responsibilities. At present, I am serving as the General Secretary of IEEE PES DIU Student Chapter, where I plan events, guide members, and build strong connection between students. I also work as a Webmaster for IEEE IS DIU Student Chapter, where I manage websites, design digital content, and ensure information reach the right person. In addition, I am executive member of the DIU Robotics Club, where I take part in robotics project, workshop, and discussion. This role gave me both technical confidence and leadership experience, teaching me how to guide teams, share ideas, and inspire others. I am also proud of my achievement outside of the class. I became the Upazilla and Zilla Champion of 43rd Science Olympiad, which gave me motivation to keep pursuing myself further. I work on several exciting projects, including a line following robot that introduced me to automation and sensor, an automatic medicine dispenser designed to support healthcare needs, and a high security virtual house that combined coding and electronics to create a smart and safe system. These projects show my interest in real life problem solving and abilities to turn ideas into working solutions. Beyond academic and projects, I see myself as a dedicated learner and a responsible leader. I enjoy teamwork and I am always ready to support my peers. My leadership experience helped me stay calm in pressure situations. I think clearly and guide others with confidence. I believe in continuing learning, staying positive, and improving myself step by step. My future goal is use my knowledge in automation, robotics, and smart technology to create value for society and contribute to meaningful innovation. Thank you for watching my videos resume. I'm excited about new opportunities where I can apply my skills, grow as a professional, and continue to important project. I look forward to connect with you. Thank you.